So you know that feeling that you get when you walk into a luxury hotel. It's clean and inviting and just smells amazing. Well, today I'm going to show you how you can get that high-end luxury feel at home when every time you walk in, it literally feels like a getaway. So stay tuned. All right, so here's the thing. Before you add any good scents, you got to get rid of the bad ones. A clean home is the foundation of a fresh smelling space, and certain areas can hold on to odors without you even realizing it. Dirt, pet dander, and spills can get trapped into carpets and rugs. So I like sprinkling baking soda mixed with a few drops of essential oils. Let that sit for 15 minutes and then vacuum it up. It absorbs odors immediately. So now onto the countertops and sinks. It's best to wipe down your countertops and sinks with a vinegar or lemon-based solution. Food smells can really linger, especially in kitchens. So using a vinegar or lemon-based solution will really get rid of this odor. Now, if your kitchen has a mystery smell, it's probably coming from your trash can or your garbage disposal. To clean out the garbage disposal, you want to peel a lemon peel, drop that in there along with some ice. Run that garbage disposal until that ice is all crushed up, and that will clean the garbage disposal out. Now for your trash cans, of course, we want to make sure it's clean. So I would clean it out again with something lemon-based or some baking soda, and then try using scented liners. Scented liners can really block the odors coming from your trash. Y'all, and while lemon and baking soda are good, I'm old school. Give me some bleach. Now, I know everything is controversial these days, but it's just some things that we need to stick to because they worked. And bleach just works for me in my house. Whenever I mop my floors, I'm gonna always add some bleach in there. One, it gets rid of 99% of germs and bacteria. And then the smell of Clorox just gives me a security of clean that other cleaners just don't give me. Now, that might just be me. But hey, if you with me, let me know in the comments. And then let's not forget about our upholstery and curtains. So fabrics hold smells too, especially cooking smells, smoke, and pets. So just make sure you're spraying down your sofas and curtains with some type of fabric spray. All right, so now that we have a clean slate, it is time for our luxury scent. My secret weapon is the Aroma 360 diffuser. This diffuser fills your home with high-end fragrances inspired by luxury hotels like the Westin, the Ritz-Carlton, and one hotel in Miami. So I'm currently using the Aroma 360 Mini Pro Scent Diffuser. It depresses a dry mist of your favorite luxury oils, ensuring consistent and potent aromas without the mess or risk of spills. And it's perfectly safe for kids and pets. It looks super stylish and comes in a variety of colors and patterns. It covers a range of 600 square feet, provides noiseless scent diffusion, and scents 20% more effectively than traditional diffusers. And aside from diffusers, you guys can also see that Aroma 360 also offers car diffusers, candles, reed diffusers, and room sprays. Aroma 360 can literally be your one-stop shop to having your home smell luxurious. And with so many scents to choose from, I'm sure you guys will find something that you like. But this is my secret weapon to keeping my home smelling fresh consistently. But here's the thing. So luxury hotels don't just rely on one scent. They actually layer them. So some of those first steps that I talked about are extremely important. So besides your scent diffuser, you do want to make sure that you have linen sprays. So you're spraying your curtains and your linens. Those trash can liners are important. Essential oils are also a great hack. So you can use these on your AC filters. Whenever you change out your filters, just sprinkle them with some essential oils. Put them back inside your AC. And now you have that beautiful essential oil smell going all throughout your home. And we all know that bathrooms is a big area as well. So don't forget to add in those toilet fresheners. You can also layer with candles. We all love candles. So again, while your diffusers may cover a range, when you go into every room, you want every room to smell great. So adding a candle in will not hurt at all. It will just add to that layer effect and give your home a more luxury feel all throughout. So that's pretty much it. A few simple changes will have your house smelling like a luxury hotel all the time. So tell me in the comments, what's your favorite scent? Do you like warm and cozy, fruity scents, or clean scents? I'm a clean scent type of girl myself. I don't like it to be too overdone. I love the smell of fresh linen. That's one of my favorite. But y'all tell me what y'all like. And if you're interested in the Aroma 360, I will have it linked below in the description. And if you guys have any questions, then be sure to leave them in the comment section as well. And for those of you that missed it, here's a clip from my last weekly vlog. Welcome to New York City, guys. It's freezing. My face is freezing.
I'm trying to hurry up and get to the booty.
So I just finished my brand deal.
Best tacos in New York.
Period.
Best tacos in US.
And confirmed by New Yorkers. We're not just telling y'all this. This is confirmed, okay? So if you guys enjoyed that clip, then make sure to go over and finish the full vlog. I started doing weekly vlogs at the beginning of this year. One for myself, just to kind of track my life and my progress this year, but then also to give you guys a little behind the scenes insight more into my life and the life of Nisi Does It and being a full-time content creator. So if that sounds like something that you're interested in, then make sure you check me out every week on the vlog. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have not seen on the community tab, I have also asked for a little bit of help with my next video. I'm going to be filming a how to decorate awkward spaces, and I thought this would just be a good idea to help some of you all. So if you all have an awkward space that you are just not sure what to do with, you're not sure how to decorate it, then send me some pictures over on my Instagram. My Instagram account is at Nisi Does It, just like here on YouTube. Send me some pictures of your space, and then your space may be chosen as a part of the video. I will be giving you guys some good ideas of what you can do with your awkward spaces. All right. So I will see y'all on the next one.